Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's me, Isaac. I'm an electrician. Well, today we are here on how to install a three-phase manual gear rod changeover and also a three-phase distribution board 18 breaker. As you can see, this is the normal layouting that we do for three-phase distribution board and also a changeover. As you can see, this is a changeover that we install in houses, in offices, and also in other sections. Like this one is used to control two powers. As you can see, we have this upper section and this lower section. As for this side, we have the national grid or either national grid or generator plant or solar system. As you can see, we have 8 bus bar terminals here. As you can see, 2, 4, 6, 8 bus bars. As the position in here, we also have 8 position, 8 section where we can place the cables. As you can see. Now the rated cable, sometimes we use, we start from 60 millimeter and upwards like that. Now this is a 63 amp changeover. Now when we want to install this, we first drill the wall. As you can see, we drill the wall and we install the pipes. As you can see, there are pipes everywhere, as you can see now. So now we install this system, this unit. We install the unit by giving it a rich concrete mortar, as you can see. Now after we do that, now we run the pipes. As you can see, this is the pipe that coordinates the generator feed, as you can see. So this pipe you are seeing, we have to use this fishing line, because we have this fishing line. As you can see, this is what we will be using to pass the electric cable. As you can see, this is how we do it, like this. So when we pass this fishing line, it will go to the position where you want the cable to go through, like that. So like when you drop this like this, now like this. So when you do it like this, as you drop it, as you passes this binding wire through this pipe, it moves like this to the position where you want either your generator plant source or your solar system, as you can see. So as you can see, now this binding wire, you can see it's already here now. As you can see, when we put it from this section, now it's all over there, as you can see. So you see, this is how we do it. So when we do it this one, this will be easier for us to fishing the cable. So we use this to pass the cable through. So as you can see, this is a provision for the generator to supply this changeover. So the power that is coming from this top is coming from national grid. So place it here at the top here, and this other pipe you are seeing, this pipe, the other two, we will be using the other two to switch electricity to this distribution board to feed the entire house, like that. So if we use 460 millimeter cable, we have 260 millimeter here, line and neutral. Then this other pipe will install 2 lines. So we'll be having 3 line and 1 neutral passing through these pipes. It runs through here, and we use another 2 here to drop the mains cable. So like here, we also have another pipe that will be coming from national grid, the mains, a 3-phase 4 core. Now we have terminals here, as you can see at the top. We have 8 terminals here. We install the electric cables respectively. Now you can see we have 8 holes here. The first one here is you install the line 1. The second one The second one, you install the line 1 that is going to this distribution board through the main breaker. And you have the third position, the third terminal. This third terminal, you install the line 2, and the color for line 2 is yellow. The color for line 2 is yellow. So when you install incoming line 2 from National Grid to this unit, then you must have outgoing line 2. Now, when you have output line 2 to this distribution board, and you also have incoming line 3 from National Grid, and you have this bus bar here, outgoing line 3 to the distribution board, and also here incoming neutral from National Grid and outgoing neutral to this distribution board. And down here is the same thing is applicable if you have a 3-phase generator plant or even a single phase. That is how it works. Now let me say here, you can see you can see here we have 4 terminals here, bus bars as cross. We have 4 terminals here. We have the red, yellow, blue, IYB. So that indicates red, yellow, blue in electrical terminology, and each one is carrying 220 to 240 volts. As you can see, 415 amps. So you can see we have this red, it indicates line 1. This one indicates line 2, the yellow, and this other one indicates line 3. And this black, of course, it's the neutral. So you see, as you can see, this bus bar is already looped from the upper section to this lower section, the outgoing feeds, as you can see. So these bus bars you are seeing that are being looped in these terminals, in this section, you are using them to you are using this one to connect the outgoing feeds to the distribution board here, as you can see. So that is that is how this operates. But mind you, if you have a single phase, but the National Grid that is coming into this distribution unit is a 3-phase, and the generator plant is a single phase. So what you do is that you convert the generator feed from line 1 to line 3. So when you place incoming gen, because you only have one line, so when you place the line here, so you take electric cable, let me say like 16 millimeter copper. You loop it from this point with the incoming wire from the generator plant, and you loop it from this incoming generator line 1 to the incoming generator line 2 to the incoming generator line 3, and you connect the neutral here because there is only one neutral. So you only bridge the live cable, you only loop the live cable to convert the system to 3-phase. So that is how these things work. So you see, this is the gear rod. So when you move this gear rod, it has switched to National Grid manually. And when you drop it like this, when this switch gear stay like this, you place it like this, that indicates it's neutral. And when you drop it like this, you are using now either a National Grid or a generator plant system. So you see, that is how it works. So you see, you can see it. This is a power track changeover. So you can see all the pipes are running through it, incoming and outgoing pipes. These are the incoming also and outgoing pipes. So these pipes, we're going to run cable through it. As you can see, there are other cables running through the building. So please, guys, I want you to like my video, comment, subscribe, and even hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching my videos. God bless you. And some other times I will be here showing you how we run the cables in. Then we will be doing the installation, the final setup, where we will be connecting the cables into various terminals and also the main breakers and the sub breakers. We will be doing the finishing point. Thank you, guys.